I'm gonna make one more. Today I will be cooking. It's a breaded salmon balls. Okay guys, ito na yung, here's the breaded salmon balls. And yung sauce niya, I use this sweet chili sauce. I bought this at the Asian store or Filipino store. So, yan. Tapos na, dali lang. Okay guys, we'll try one. See how it tastes. We'll try it. It's good. Sarap. Yummy. Yeah. Sarap. You wanna try it? You wanna try it? This video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment, like, share, subscribe if you haven't yet. So, yeah. Give this a try, and I know you will like it because we love it too. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.